G'day superstars, today is going to be a very fast video because we're going to talk about what happens when this happens. You go into DaVinci Resolve, you go to edit your audio file and it's blank. You say, where are my waveforms? So then you save and you reboot and you go back in and it's exactly the same. And this is a bug that's been in DaVinci Resolve for quite a while and I'm going to show you how to fix it right now and it's going to take you seconds. Okay, we're in DaVinci Resolve, you go down to the edit tab down the bottom here and you look at your waveforms and they're all blank. The first time this happened to me, I panicked like crazy. I thought, what the hell is going on? I tried expanding on them, I tried rebooting, it made no difference. They're all just gone. The simple fix is make sure you're in the edit tab, of course. Go over to the left over here and you see this window with a bunch of squares on it. Click on that and you've got timeline options, timeline view options here. Go across to here to waveform and click it and they'll come back on. Then you can just close that back down and you're back to where you were before. No one knows why DaVinci actually does this. Occasionally it has like a bit of a glitch and takes away your waveforms, and that's the easy fix to fix it. If you're new to DaVinci Resolve, you can check out more videos on my channel, but if you want to do a full-on course, you can click on this video here where I cover the best courses on Skillshare for DaVinci Resolve, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.